Not every AI draft deserves to go out. Maybe the deal needs a phone call instead, or you'd simply rather handle this one yourself. Forcing an edit isn't the answer, skipping is. That's exactly what Skip is built for, inside Vyroq's Pending AI Replies queue. Open AI, click the Pending AI Replies tab, and click into any drafted reply. Read the subject and message body in the drawer. Check the reason badge, buying signal, or price negotiation, and the amount if a pay link's attached. Decide it's not right for auto send? Click Skip. The draft is discarded immediately. No message ever reaches your lead. And you're free to reply manually, on your own terms, in your own words. Watch the row vanish from the queue the instant you confirm. A quick toast confirms, reply skipped, and the list refreshes to only what's still genuinely waiting on you. This is exactly the safety valve that makes AI auto-replies trustworthy. Every draft touching money gets a real yes or no, never an automatic pass. That's an AI you can actually trust with the sensitive conversations. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.